Okay, for this page, the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is number 9, and then I'm going to show you how to use a calculator for both number 8 and number 10. So for number 9, what is the following equation rewritten in slope-intercept form? So again, this is standard form, and we need to write it in slope-intercept. That means we need to get y by itself. So I'm going to put a box around my y. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 8x to both sides. Get rid of the x. So 2y equals 8x plus 2. Now I need to get y by itself. I need to divide by 2. So y equals 8 divided by 2 is 4x. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4x plus 1. So the answer is B. This is something, y'all, that you can practice on your own. So y'all need to practice that, those of you that are still having trouble. Okay, let's look at number 8. It gives us a function and is asking us what is f of 9. This means x equals 9. Now, also remember that f of x is the same as what? Y. This is y. So this is y equals 1200 minus 50x. Well, guess what? If we have y equals, that means we can put it in the calculator. So you're going to go to y equals on the calculator, and you're going to type in this function. Remember, the x is this button right here. That's the x that you're going to use. Once you have that typed into the calculator, you're going to hit second graph, and it's going to show you the table. And this is what it will look like. If you don't see these numbers, you just need to use the arrows to scroll up or down. So when x is 9, what is y? 750. So rewind the video if you need to. Okay, so the answer is 750, just that simple. Number 10 can also be done in the calculator, and here's how. I'm going to erase this. So it tells us that the slope is negative 2/3 and the y-intercept is negative 1. So I can write this in slope-intercept form. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. Right? This is M and this is B. And now because I have it in y equals, I can put this in the calculator. So when I put this in the calculator, this is what it's going to look like. Notice that I put my fraction in parentheses. Again, this is from the y equals menu. If you have anything in y equals, you just need to clear it out. Now I can look at the graph. How do I look at the graph? Well, I hit the graph button. Don't hit the second key, just hit graph. And then this is what comes up. So now you can look at this and see how it compares to your answer choices. Now you have to be careful here to really test the slope. So let's go back to the question. Okay, so here's the question again. So we know it has to go through negative 1 right here. We saw that on the graph. So it cannot be this one, and we know it was going down, so it can't be D. Now, which one of these actually goes down 2 over 3? Well, if I go down to 1, 2 over 3, 1, 2, 3, boom, that works. Here, if I go down 2 over 3, 1, 2, 3, that is not on the line. So the answer is A. So you don't have to use the calculator for number 10, but there's just a suggestion on how you could use the calculator for number 10. All right, here's number 11. The x-intercept of a certain line is negative 5. The x-intercept is negative 5. So that's on the x-axis at negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here. And the y-intercept, the slope is 2. So m equals 2. Well, how do I write that as a fraction? I put it over 1. So this is my rise, and this is my run. So that means I'm going to rise 2 and run 1. So I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Now, it says, what is the y-intercept? Well, here it is, right here. Where is that? That's at 10. So the answer is A. So all you had to do was graph the line. If they give you a graph, you need to use it. Plot the point they give you and count the slope. Make sure you check the slope was positive, and is our line increasing? Yes, so we went the right way. Make sure you go the right way.